girl shit, I just got it like that.
Foreign cute bitch, now she wanna date me. I'm the best plug, these niggas can't trace me. Ballin' so hard, they think I'm McGrady. Smash season, bitch, I'm tired of waiting.
My boys, they hop out with bitch sticks like Osama. Niggas look up to me like I'm Obama. My bitch from Peru, she stay with the llamas. Try to rob me, only thing get is trauma.
Fuck the lame bitches, I need me a princess. Play with the keys like I am Da Vinci. Fucking that bitch and I know that she...
Alright, so basically this video is for the intake, and you know, we came here with the Alfa, which is right behind me. And first we're going to get some shots and just drive-bys and see how it sounds without the intake, and then later on we do more videos with the intake, and you guys can obviously hear how it sounds. But yeah, I know I said we were gonna get the V2 intake, but I thought my brother was gonna get that, but apparently not. He just ordered the filter because it was less cheaper. Which, if you guys also want the filter that we bought for this 2017 Alfa, then we'll leave it down in the description. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and we're gonna install it like I said. Let's go. Yeah, pop the hood. So we're gonna show y'all what we're gonna change from the Alfa. So this is my brother's car. It's a 2017 Alfa Romeo, however you want to pronounce it. But yeah, pretty much we're gonna show you what we're changing, which is just the air intake or air filter, which it might make a difference. You know, it might push an extra like 500 horsepower or whatnot, right? So basically, can you explain what we're changing here?
All right, so we're getting rid of this box, and we're gonna take out the paper filter that's in here, which is orange, into a cone-shaped filter.
Yeah.
And we keep everything stock how it is. The piping that goes into the turbo, where this connector goes into, we were keeping all that the same, and we're just changing this and getting rid of the box.
Yeah, so basically for these type of cars, the type of filter that this Alfa has is just like a basic flat square type of filter which cancels the noise. But we're getting, like my brother said, a cone filter, which will probably make like a little bit way more noise compared to the videos that we saw. But yeah, basically if we were gonna buy the V2 intake, I don't know if you guys think, we would have changed all this right here plus the cone filter that we were gonna get. But that just, how much was it?
The V2?
500?
Yeah.
So like the whole V2 intake that we were gonna get would have been 500, but just the filter by itself is like what, 100? 120, 150, 155. So that's like, you know, like that's a big change in price. So we said might as well just get the filter and see what happens. But yeah, we're gonna be changing this bad boy and then see what happens. And it is hot from the drive-bys that we did. But oh, and by the way, you guys should also go watch the other video. The other video where we installed the, what is this, the V front grill shape thing?
Yeah, the carbon.
Which is in carbon fiber. And then we also bought the spoiler, which is also in carbon fiber, which was the duckbill spoiler. I don't know if you guys see if it's focused. Which I like the duckbill better than the simple one. Which is the simple one?
The quadrifoglio style.
The quadrifoglio style. Yeah, I didn't like that. It looks like thin. Oh my god, what am I doing? Oh, there you go. Yeah, I didn't like the other spoiler because it's just like too thin. Like it's just like a little eyebrows. Like me, I barely have eyebrows. Look at that. So you know, I like the duckbill better. But yeah, you guys should also go watch that, and we finna install the air intake in this video. So what else are you gonna buy to the car? What are your plans for this car?
New wheels, because this wheel sucks ass.
Alright, so new wheels, new rims basically.
Basically, I'm gonna try to get aftermarket wheels.
Boy, look into the camera.
Ah, it's weird.
He wants to also buy like, well, first we're starting out small, which he wants to buy carbon fiber things, which would be the mirrors, the handles, what else? The trim, like this, the window trim, and then the inside trim, and then he wants to buy the steering wheel, and then I don't know if you guys see the wooden thing right there. I don't know what you call that, the display thing,
the console, the middle console,
the display. I don't know, but he wants to buy carbon fiber everything. But yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna do. And you know, for this video we are going to be installing the air intake. But yeah, let's go. Now to the process for this boat right here. All these little boats that you can see, they're like right there, right here, and then there's some back, I don't know, right there, and some around here are 7mm, and then this one right here to take off the whole box would be a 10mm. So we have them here. This would be the 10mm, and this right here would be the 7mm, which is for this. So first we're going to take this out to take the top, and then we are going to take off this piece right here, and then once I get that, then we'll show you guys, you know, how it looks. So let's do that real quick. All right, and here we already took off the top from the original filter. As you can see, is the orange rectangular one, which cancels out like the noise and, you know, stuff like that. And we did have problems installing a new filter, so I will explain later on. Okay, you guys hear that, right? Like we I know you guys heard it, like well, not exactly like but like type shit. You guys,
it helps you hear the turbo a little bit more.
it helps you, yeah, it helps you hear
You can hear the spooling.
yeah, whatever you say, it helps you hear the turbo a little bit more, and it helps it breathe better. So that's like a good thing. Man, when I first saw this car and you accelerated, bro, I'm like, what the fuck? Like, we bought this $150 for no fucking reason. But alright, it's an uphill. Go. I like it. It's not a big deal. It's hold up. Alright, slow down a little. I know you guys hear the thing, like it's not like super big, but it's just like it helps it breathe better and it sounds good. The sound of it, you know, like it just makes us feel better about it because it sounds good. Look, I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. If not, I'm probably gonna get off so I can do like drive-bys and then you guys can hear it. But yeah, oh my god, that's because it helps it breathe better. And I don't know if you guys see that's the normal Alfa filter. Oh, which one for this car? That's the normal Alfa filter with just like a flat. It's just like thing. It's all the way at the bottom. It's small, so it doesn't really make that noise. But yeah, so we're gonna do drive-bys real quick so you guys can hear it from like a second person, like a bystander type of shit. But yeah. He's coming. He probably went over that speed limit, but that don't matter, right? This thing is hot.
Is it?
Yeah, it's hot. Well, not shit, we just did drive-by. Okay, but look, listen. So what we did, this is the thing we bought and it comes with this little plastic, but we did have problems putting this filter on, and what do you call this? The clamp. We had problems putting the clamp because these little bolts, whatever you want to call them, the clamp wouldn't go all the way in, and every time we would screw it on, all it would do, the filter would just pop back up. The filter would just pop back up, so you know it really didn't. So what we had to do is just, I don't know if you guys can see, we had to shave off a little with like some fucking, I don't know what my dad did, but we had to shave it off to put it right. And yeah, that's basically, so there was some little bit of problems, and we did keep this. I know we said we were gonna take it off, but we didn't. We just kept it. So what do you call this?
The heat shield.
The heat shield thing, whatever. And we clamped it up. Well, no, not clamped it up, but we bolted it on to that, so this can stay together. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And I know you guys saw the paper filter, which was kind of trash.
It sounded more like a vacuum.
It sounded more like a vacuum, basically what my brother said. And this makes it sound like and helps it breathe better. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And
clock out.
Adios.